Hello, very quick one today. Just wanted to have a look at these little folding knives I bought from Amazon UK. The Elan fruit knife 4-pack foldable small kitchen knife sets. It says on the description, sharp and durable vegetable knife set. Stainless steel fruit knives, small, suitable for most vegetables, fruits and meats. And these were £7.99 for 4 of them in August 2025. Let's have a little look. So I've been doing a few bits of camping and a few hikes and walks and things. And I've been using something like a Victorinox floral knife, excellent little single blade folder, or a little Opinel number 6 there, really cheap, really nice for slicing up a bit of food on the trail, or something like the wonderful Victorinox folding tomato knife or picnic knife, excellent long wavy edged blade there, really great little food prep tool, definitely. And then I saw these little cheap knives on Amazon and thought, oh yeah, well they'll do just to shove and keep in my little camping bag, hiking bag or whatever. So I bought them and they're absolute garbage. These are the flimsiest, most terrible little knives I've ever come across, and I should have known better, shouldn't I, at less than £8 for 4 of them, but just let's pick one at random. These are just terrible. The plastic handles are just so thin and flimsy. It's just a friction folder. There's literally nothing holding the knife blade closed or open, so that's potentially fairly dangerous. And what's also potentially fairly dangerous is look out, absolutely wafer thin this metal stainless steel blade is on there. If that's stainless steel, well, it's the worst, thinnest stainless steel I've ever seen in my life. I mean, it's not super sharp, it's sharp enough, but they're just rubbish, absolute junk, garbage. Oh, look at that mechanism in there. Can we focus on that? I don't know. Just a bit of sharpened tin foil pinned together in the cheapest plastic in the world. I can't bear to look at them anymore. Yeah, bought these to take on little walks for picnics and stuff for me, but they're going straight back to Amazon. Don't bother, save your money. Cheap, flimsy, rubbish, potentially dangerous. Do yourself a favour and get something much better that's going to last you and be effective. That's all I wanted to say about them, really. Anyone else bought these? Just save yourself a return trip to the post office to ask for your money back. Absolute rubbish. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.